Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Google business profile using a virtual office address. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to google.com/business, then click on Start Now. This will either ask you to sign into your Google account or take you directly to the setup page if you're already logged in. The first step is to enter your business name. Make sure you type your official business name. For example, let's say the business name is Red Dragon. After entering the name, click Continue. Sometimes Google may suggest a business if it finds a match online, so just make sure you choose the correct one or continue with your new business. Next, you need to choose the type of business. This step is important. If you are using a virtual office address, it is usually better to choose service business, meaning you visit customers instead of them coming to your location. So select the option that says your business serves customers at their location, then click Next. If you are using a virtual business address, make sure you have already rented a virtual office or business address from a provider. These services usually give you a mailing address, suite number, or mailbox address that you can use for business registration. After that, you need to select your business category. This is very important for Google because it helps people find your business in search results. Choose the category that best matches your services. For example, if your business is related to design work, you might choose graphic designer. Once selected, click Next. Now Google will ask where you serve your customers. If your business operates locally, you can define your service areas here. For example, you can enter cities like New York or other locations where you provide services. You can add multiple areas and update them later if needed. After adding your service areas, click Next. Next, enter the contact details customers will use to reach you. This usually includes a phone number and your website if you have one. Once you enter the information, click Next. Google may also offer the option to receive tips and updates by email about improving your business profile. You can enable this if you want helpful reminders about reviews, photos, and updates, or you can disable it and continue. Now you will be asked to enter your business address. If you are using a virtual office, this is where you enter the mailing address provided by the virtual office provider, including the street address, city, state, and zip code. Then click Next. Google will send a verification postcard to that address with a PIN code. Once you receive the postcard, you can enter the PIN code to verify your business. Until verification is completed, your listing will not be publicly visible on Google. For now, you can choose Verify Later and continue setting up the profile. Next, you can add the services your business offers. Google may already suggest a few services based on your category. You can click Show More to see additional options. If your specific service is not listed, you can also add a custom service. After adding your services, click Next. Now you need to set your business hours. This helps customers know when you are available. If you work by appointment or offer flexible service times, you can adjust the hours accordingly. After setting your hours, click Next. Next is the business description. Write a short description explaining what your business does. Try to include important keywords related to your services and location, but keep the description natural and clear. You can always update it later. After that, you can add photos to your profile. Photos are very important because they appear in Google Search and Google Maps. Upload pictures of your work, your team, or before and after results if applicable. This helps attract more customers and makes your profile look more professional. Google may also offer advertising credits, sometimes up to $500 in Google Ads credit. This usually works as a match system where you spend money first and then receive the credit. If you're just starting out, you can choose to skip this step for now. Finally, click Continue to finish the setup. You will now see your Google Business Profile dashboard, but remember your business will not appear publicly until you complete the verification using the postcard PIN. Once the verification is done, your business profile will become visible on Google Search and Google Maps, allowing customers to find your services easily. Thanks for watching.